Learning about Allah, about His book, about His deen requires sacrifice. Sacrifice, ladies. And I'll share something with you, which you all, most of you mothers with me today, you all are familiar. If you all remember when you delivered the baby, and I say this because that's my profession, I'm sure most of you know that, right? When you delivered the baby, how easy it was, how quick it was, how not painful it was. I'm giving you the opposite. How much you worked hard, struggled, let alone the 9 months. I'm talking about just the delivery. And what is the result? A baby. And this is what I always tell my patients. Don't think of the difficulty, think of the result. And I always, especially first-time moms, I was like, wallahi, but the moment this baby comes on your chest, when we get the baby out, you will forget everything. And Allah makes things easy. That absolutely applies to knowledge. Everything in life there's examples in life that we can apply to other things. This is our main goal in Jannah Institute, is to bring this knowledge that Allah gave from the scholars, make it easier for you and me to understand and apply. So whenever you think it's very hard, it's difficult, I don't think I can do that. Remember, how did you deliver a baby? One of the hardest things and the miracle of the miracles. So don't underestimate your ability. Don't go and use the easy. You know, and I say this, some of you may have heard this from me, and definitely the staff knows this. We want I call it the Burger King meal knowledge. You know what that means? For those of you who live in the States, or if anybody of you have ordered a meal, we call it a drive-through. So you're in your car, in the comfort of your car, you drive, put the window down, then somebody asks you, and then you don't even think, because it's a number, and you don't even read what you want. These days, I want number 1 or number 2 or number 3, very quick. Then you drive, next window, you give the money, 1 minute, next window, they give you the meal, 2 minutes, and after 5 minutes, you ate and you're done. 5 minutes, everything is ready. You think knowledge is this way. No. It can, but be very superficial and will not penetrate and will not change you. Unless you give it your blood. Wallahi, I use this word. You give it your blood and your sweat and your energy, and you start, and consistency, and then see what Allah will give you.